After having gone through how everything is categorized and filtered, let's go through two different scenarios and let me show you how this student and I would manage this website. So let's say Danny is a sophomore high school student who has always aspired to become a physician. So they can give back to their community using their native Spanish speaking skills. They're looking for a program aimed for Latinx students in particular that can help them prepare for and explore a job in the medical field and take part of medical courses and lab sections. What pathway program would be the best fit for Danny? So as we can see, Danny is a sophomore high school student, and she's looking for something that's medicine related, but also tailored to supporting Latinx students. So in this case, we would go to the high school student section, and then as you can see, high school students is selected, and then we would go to health professions and we would pick medicine. And then we would go to health career exploration, which is right here. Since it's like she's specifically looking for support in this field. And then we would go through each program and see which one fits best for her. So let's quickly go through each program, read their spiel. In this case, for this scenario, Danny would best benefit from applying to the Medicina Academy Apprentice Program. So as you can see, it tells you the name of the program, the name of the institution where it's housed in, which is the University of Illinois in Chicago College of Medicine. And then it tells you right here a quick spiel. It's tailored to high school students, so Danny can apply, and it's within those interested in the medical field. So I would just click here, and then if I was Danny, I would go to the program components and look more into the focus and outcomes. So right here I can see the primary areas of focus and then the timing of the program. So in this case, this program would go throughout the school year from September 2022 through May 2023. And then the components, how it's structured, what it has, and the program affiliations. So in this case, it would be affiliated within the Hispanic Center of Excellence within the University of Illinois in Chicago's College of Medicine. This is the contact information in case if I was Danny and had any questions about like the due date of the program or how I could apply, I can email this person, and this person's contact information can be found right here. And then I would go to visit the program website. Now let that load, and then it shows me a direct link to the program. So in this case, I would be looking through the MAP website, looking at the program eligibility, and then general information and video of the application. So in this case, for Danny, the best program that aligns with what she's looking for and her education level and interest would be the Medicina Academy Apprentice Program. But now let's go back to the Rapid Illinois website home screen. And let's say I'm looking for an undergraduate program. In this case, I'm a junior and I'm interested in medicine. So what I would do is go to the college student section, then go to, as you can see, the college student section is highlighted, so I don't have to edit anything there. And I'm interested in a program related to medicine and public health. So I'll select medicine and public health. And then for the components of the program that I'm looking for would be related to research experience. And I'm also looking for a program that's stipend. Since I'm a first-time student, I really would benefit from having a paid summer internship. So I'll just highlight that. And then let's look through all the programs that are offered right here. As you can see, 10 programs were found, and these are for 2 and 4-year undergraduate programs. So let's look through these, the name of the program, the affiliation, quick spiel, education levels it supports, and profession. In this case, out of the first 5 programs that I see, I believe that the best program that aligns with my interest and career profession would be One Summer at Chicago, because it supports high school students and college students, and it also goes over or specializes or focuses in medicine and slash or public health. So I would click this, and then I would look more into the focus and outcomes, the location and timing, which is 6 weeks, which would be perfect for a summer internship. The program components, which is perfect because it has health career exploration, networking, and research experience. And then this would be affiliated with the city of Chicago. And if I have any questions, I would ask Mr. Munoz any questions that I may have through emailing him or maybe calling him. Then I will look into the program or summer internship website and see and learn more about what each or how I can apply or how it's categorized. So in this case, I will look for summer jobs and then apply for a summer job. Then I would make an account and apply through their program. After making an account, I'm not too familiar with how this specific website works, but I know with the Medicina Academy Apprentice program, you also have to make an account to be able to submit an application for the program. Last time I applied in, I believe, 2019 or 2020, but there's a quick spiel of how the Rapid Illinois website works. And yeah, it's very easy to use. If you have any questions, feel free to go to the user guide and learn more about or a detailed description of how to go through education levels, health professions, the components, the location by country, and financial assistance. And yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to email Rapid Illinois. And yeah, I hope you have a great day. Thank you.